dangerous for your life as well as for the life of other people. Okay, so yes, now first of all I'm going to read. Listen to me carefully, and then you people are going to read. So the two animals which were kept by Mr. Yates were, one was a tiger and the other one was a caiman. If you can see the slide, you can see the picture of a tiger and crocodile, alligator. No, alligators and tiger both are wild animals. And wild animals obviously live in wild. Wild means forest. They live in the forest. So you are not allowed to keep wild animals in your homes or in your flats or in your building, because these are dangerous. These are fierce animals and they can attack you as well as the other people, and they can, obviously lion can easily kill you people. Okay, so it's a newspaper report. All of you open your books, page 122. Page 122, a very short news report. Afterwards, first I'm going to read. Listen to me carefully like last time, and then you people will read and I'm going to ask you meanings of difficult words. Okay? Page number 122. News report, page 122. I'm going to start. The boys, keep your cameras on so that I can see you. Rayan, be attentive. I can see you. Rohan, everybody keep your cameras on. Okay. News report, page 122. At home in the urban jungle. Okay. Now student, urban meaning must be clear. Urban means city life. People who are living in a city. Like we are living in an urban area. We are living in Lahore. Lahore is a city. Many people live in Lahore. And jungle is something which is connected with the wild animals. We cannot live in the jungle because jungle is the home of animals, not of the human beings. Now, why the writer has connected urban and jungle together? Because when we are using the phrase urban jungle, it means dangers of a crowded city. And why the writer has joined urban with jungle? Because the writer is telling about the man, Mr. Yates, who was keeping wild animals inside his flat. Clear? Note down the meaning. So urban means city or town, and urban jungle, when we say urban jungle, means dangers in the city life or dangers of the city life. Okay, at home in the urban jungle. Today's story, it's a news report, and I will also ask you to write a news report based on this pattern. Okay, so you have to follow this pattern. New York, October 2003. Now, you people are having holidays these days, so develop the habit of reading newspaper and magazine. Okay, this will improve your English as well as your vocabulary. Now, can you see how we are going to start a news report? You can see the city name, New York, where it happened in New York, and when the person is telling the story, the report, when is he writing the report, it's October, October, not October, October, T sound. It's English. Okay, October 2003. Anthony Yates went to a medical center in New York at the weekend. He asked for treatment for bites on his arms, hands, and face. Look at your books, beta. Look at your books, which he said had been caused by his dog. The doctors did not believe his story and called the police, who went to the man's small flat on the fifth floor of a property in the Harlem district of New York. So Anthony Yates was the man. On weekend, he went to a medical center because he had caused some injuries on his arms, hands, and face. And he said that the bites had been caused by his dog. Obviously, the dog's bite and the tiger's bites are entirely different. But he said to the doctor that these are the bites of the dogs, uh, of my dog. But the doctors, they did not believe his story and they called the police. So police, what did the police do? Police obviously straight away went to the flat of Mr. Yates. He lived on a small flat on the 5th floor of a property in the Harlem district of New York. So police officers at once, they went to the flat of Mr. Yates. Neighbors told the police officers that a strong smell came from Mr. Yates' flat. Students, if you have gone to zoo and you have, whenever we enter the zoo, especially the lion side where the lions are being kept, a strong smell comes because there's a strong smell of animals. So why were the neighbors suspicious? Why were the neighbors doubtful? Because a strong smell was coming from Mr. Yates' flat. Yes, Rohan. After I'll read, then you people are going to read. Neighbors told the police officers that a strong smell came from Mr. Yates' flat and that they suspected. Suspected means doubtful. You are having a doubt. Okay, they were doubtful that he was keeping wild animals inside. Okay, because smell is of wild animals. If we are having a dog or a cat in our house, there is no such smell, okay? But obviously if we are keeping a lion and a tiger in our house, then a strong smell can come, easily come. The police officers listened to this warning and made a small hole in the front door so that they could see through it into the flat. Why they just made a small hole? Because wild animals are dangerous. If there are wild animals inside his flat, then they could attack the police officers. So the police officers listened to the neighbors very carefully, and then what did they do? They made a small hole. Why did they make a small hole? So that they could see inside the flat. Okay, what was in the flat? They were amazed. Amazed means surprised to see a massive tiger. Last time when we were doing the sounds of the sea, I've told you the meaning of massive. Massive means huge, enormous, very big. Inside the hall. In order to capture the tiger without endangering anyone's life, a police officer abseiled down the side of the building and stopped outside the window of Mr. Yates' flat. Can you see this picture? This is the police officer. Abseil means to lower yourself down with the help of a rope. So police officer did not want to endanger the life of the other people. So what did he do? He just came down the side of the building and he stopped outside. Can you see this window? You can see the police officer is having a gun in his hand. He's not going to kill the tiger. This is a tranquilizer gun, okay, to put the animal into sleep. So, and he stopped outside the window of Mr. Yates' flat. The huge tiger charged at the window. When we use the word charge, charge means attack. So you can see in the picture that the tiger is attacking at the window. But because the police officer is outside the window, the animal could not make any harm to him. Okay. So the huge tiger charged at the window and the police officer shot the animal twice with their tranquilizer gun. Tranquilizer gun is a gun which is not meant to kill an animal. It is for like, it has drugs, a sedative, which put the animal into sleep to make the animal unconscious for few hours. Okay, so that it cannot be dangerous. It was then safe for the police officers to enter the flat. After shooting the tiger with a tranquilizer gun, the police officers entered into the flat. They thought that Mr. Yates was only having a tiger inside his flat. But they were wrong. There was another surprise waiting for them, where another surprise awaited them. Awaited means waiting for them. A 5-foot long cayman, a kind of alligator, as I've shown you in the picture. This is a tiger and this is alligator. How can we keep these two wild animals inside our house? Can we keep these two wild animals? Obviously not. So, and he was having an alligator also was behind a sofa in another room. The police officers removed the 80-kilogram tiger, such a massive, such a huge, such a heavyweight tiger, okay, on a stretcher, and both the tiger and the caiman were taken to a wildlife reserve. So, wildlife reserve is a kind of a reserve where we can keep the wild animals, okay. So both the tiger and the caiman were taken to a wildlife reserve in Cleveland, Ohio, okay. Ohio, do you understand? So before asking you people to read, I'm showing you the meaning. So because I'm going to ask you the meanings, note them down. Massive, I've told you, huge, enormous. Endangering, putting in danger. Urban jungle, dangers in the crowded city life. Abseiled, to go down a slope using a rope. Tranquilizer gun, a gun used to put an animal into sleep. Caiman, a 5-foot long alligator. Note it down. Have you noted down? Have you noted down, beta? Okay. Okay, now I'm going to briefly explain that this news report is about Mr. Yates, Anthony Yates, who was keeping wild animals inside his flat. And on weekend, he went to a medical center and he said to the doctor that there were bites on his arms, hands, and face, and he said that these bites had been caused by his dog. So the doctors did not believe his story and they called police officers. The police officers went to his flat and the neighbors told that they were suspecting Mr. Yates keeping wild animals inside his flat. So one of the police officers, he abseiled down the side of the building and he saw, they made a hole first and they saw a huge tiger. So he went down, he abseiled down the side of the building and he stopped outside the window of Mr. Yates' flat. I'm telling you the summary because this is a summary, short summary, and you are going to write it, okay? And he stopped outside the outside the window of Mr. Yates' flat. The tiger attacked at the window, but the police officer shot the tiger with a tranquilizer gun. Then they entered into the flat and they found a caiman also. Both the animals were taken to a wildlife reserve in Cleveland, Ohio. Is it clear, students? Now I'm going to ask one by one for you people to read. And who wants to read, please raise your hand so I don't want to waste the time. Rohan, start reading. I've unmuted you. Yes, Rohan, I have unmuted you. You can unmute yourself. Yes. Yes, Rohan. One paragraph.
Unit 6 Lions and Tigers. At home in the urban jungle. Today's story. New York, October 2003. Anthony Yates went to.
It's Anthony. Anthony Yates. Okay, Rohan, it's Anthony Yates.
Okay. Anthony Yates went to a medical center in New York at the weekend. He asked.
Yes. Yes.
Which said his arms, hands, and face, which he said had been caused by his dog. The doctors didn't believe his story and called the police, who went to the man's small flat on the 5th floor of a property in Harlem district of New York.
Good. Good, Rohan. I will later ask you people. Okay. Now, Umar Nawaz. Yes, Umar Nawaz. Umar, I have unmuted you.
Neighbors told the police officer that a strong smell came from Mr. Yates' flat and that they
Yates.
suspected
But Umar, wait. Beta,
that
it's
they
Yates.
suspected
Anthony Yates. Huh.
he was keeping wild animals inside. The police officer listened to this warning and made a
Small hole.
small
Small
hole in
hole.
the front small hole in the front door so that they could see through it into the flat. They were
Good.
amazed to
Okay,
see
okay, okay, okay. Good, better, good. Next, Rayan. Okay, Rayan. Yes, Rayan. I've unmuted you, Rayan.
They were amazed to see a massive tiger inside the hall. In order to capture the tiger without endangering anyone's life, a police officer
Abseiled.
abseiled down the side of the building and stopped outside the window of Mr. Yates' flat. The huge tiger charged at the window and the police officer shot the animal twice with a tranquilizer gun.
Good.
It was then
Thank you.
safe for the
Better. Thank you. Thank you. Next. Next. From the girls' side. Anyone from the girls' side? Okay. Aisha Kayyum. Aisha, yes, start reading.
Teacher, can I read?
Yes, beta, read it.
A 5 foot long
Came in.
a
You have to
fi-
start. It was then safe. It was then safe.
It was then safe for the police officers to enter the flat where another surprise awaited them. A, a 5 foot long caiman,
Came in. Huh?
caiman, a kind of alligator, was behind a sofa in another room. The police officers removed the one
880.
880 kilogram tiger and on a stretcher, and both the tiger and the cayman were taken to a wildlife reserve in
Cleveland.
Cleveland,
Ohio.
Cleveland.
Ohio. Okay. Okay, beta. Good. Now, students, I want to ask questions. So please be very careful. Raise your hands one by one. Can anybody briefly summarize the report? Who can summarize the report? Yes. Some other student? Yes. Ahmad Raza. Ahmad Raza, beta, unmute your mic. I want you to briefly summarize the report. Okay. Okay, Rohan, you can. Rohan, I have unmuted you. You need to keep your videos, cameras on, the boys, okay? What about Momin? Yes, Momin? Momin,
I don't know.
you don't know? You don't know what is the story, what is the report about? Were you not listening? So tell me, what is the report about? Tell me, what is the report about? Hurry up. Unmute your mic. Unmute your mic. Yes, Ahmad Raza. Ahmad, I have unmuted you, beta.
Anthony Yates went to a medical center at weekend. He said the doctors that the bites on his arm and face are from the dog. The the doctors didn't believe at his story, and
Yes.
they called the police. The
And
police
then,
went to the
yes, good. Continue,
The
better.
police
Continue. I'm
went.
listening.
The police went to the Anthony Yates flat, and the neighbors of the Anthony Yates said that a strong smell came from his flat,
Good, good,
from
Ahmed.
the
Good. Thank.
Anthony Yates flat.
Okay, good,
The
Ahmed.
police
Good, Ahmed. Now I want some other student. What happened next? Okay, Rohan, wait a minute. Rohan, I've unmuted you. Yes, Rohan.
The story of the
Afterwards. No, beta, after Ahmed Raza has said in the beginning part of the report. Now you tell कि what happened. Then when the neighbors told the police officers that a strong smell came from Mr. Yates' flat, what did the police officers do?
police officers were astonished at how the smell was coming. So one of the police officer tied a rope on the roof of the flat and 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 just climbed up and up to the fifth flat.
Down,
When
down,
he
down. Hmm.
when he climbed
And
up to the fifth flat, he saw a tiger in Mr. Yard's
Yates,
flat.
Yates. How do we
Gates
pronounce
flat.
Yates flat? Huh?
Gates
He
flat.
climbed down. Beta, when we are coming down, it's climb down. He's climbing down. He's coming down the rope. Yes.
Okay,
Continue.
he climbed down and saw that there was a tiger in Mr. Yates' flat, and he expected that he was keeping wild animals inside because the police officers were thinking that how he could had a wild animal into his flat. Then the police
What
officer
did the police officer do? What did he do?
then
Idea, we have to discuss the question.
the police officer made a small hole into the flat, and they see from that small hole that what is in Mr. Yates' flat. So
Okay.
they
Good.
found it.
Good. Good, Rohan. Good. Now I want one other student to do ending. What happened? Okay. Yes, Heather Abbas. Yes, Heather. Hmm, Heather. Where is Heather? Yes, Heather Abbas. I've unmuted you. Heather. Heather. Wait, I've unmuted you. Don't waste the time. Nurul Iman. Okay, Nurul Iman, you can tell the end. Nurul Iman. Yes.
The police officers removed the 880 kilogram.
Yes.
The police officer removed the 880 kilogram tiger on a stretcher. Both the
Okay.
tiger cayman
And
were taken Cleveland, Ohio.
Cleveland, Ohio. Ohio. Okay, good, beta.
Ohio.
Now we are going to do the question answers. Before doing the question answers, can you tell me the meanings one by one? Yes. What is the
Yes.
meaning of massive? Massive.
They
What
were
is the meaning?
massive.
What is the yes? What is the meaning of massive?
Dirty.
Ahmad Raza. Moment. Ahmad Raza. No, beta. Yes, Ahmad Raza. You tell me.
मैंने ये जो बताया
Ahmad Raza. Yes. Yes, Ahmad Raza.
huge,
Massive. Huge.
huge,
Good. 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 Correct. Huge. Enormous. Yes. What is the meaning of urban? Urban. Urban. Yes, Momin. Urban. I've unmuted you. Momin, I've unmuted you. Yes.
A town or city.
Town or a city. Correct. What is the meaning of endangering? Yes, Rohan. Endangering.
Who are not endangered.
To put in danger. To place in danger. Okay. What is the meaning of abseiled? Abseiled. 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 The police officer abseiled down the side of the building. Can you see?
Astonished.
To lower yourself down a rope. Okay, now students, reading for understanding, question answers. I'm giving you 2 to 3 minutes time to find the answers. Then I will start asking you. Okay?
Which page?
Find the answers. It's page number 124. 124, reading for understanding. Reading for understanding. Find the answers quickly. I will explain what did the doctors find suspicious about Mr. Yates when he went to the medical center. What were the things doctors find suspicious? Why were Mr. Yates' neighbors suspicious about his life? Why did the police officers make a hole? How the police officer overcame the tiger, means how did he manage to like capture the tiger? Okay, and describe the scene which greeted the police officers. What did the police officers see in the flat? Heather, whenever I unmute you, you have to go on your left hand side to the mute button and you have to click on it. When you will click on it, the red sign will disappear. It means that you are unmuted. Okay? Find the answers and then raise your hand, because without wasting time, we want to finish. Yes, Nurul Iman. Noor, I have unmuted you. Yes, Nurul Iman.
What did the doctors find suspicious about Mr. Yates'
Yates,
story? Yates' story when he went to the medical center.
Yes.
Mr. Yates said that the bites he received were caused by his dog, but
Yes.
the doctors thought that these type of bites cannot be inflicted by a dog. Inflicted by a dog. So
Good,
they
Beta.
became suspicious.
So the doctors were suspicious to see the bites on the arms, hands and face of Mr. Yates, which he said had been caused by his dog, because such bites cannot be inflicted by a dog. Okay? Good. Good, Nurul Iman. Why were Mr. Yates' neighbors suspicious about his way of life? Why were they suspicious about? Why were the neighbors suspicious? Raise your hand. Yes. Momin. Yes, Momin, I've unmuted you.
Mr.
Yates.
Mr. Yates'
Yes.
neighbors were suspicious because a strong smell came from his flat and they suspected that he was keeping wild animals in his house.
Very good. Inside his flat. He was living in a flat. So good. Correct answer, Momin. His neighbors were suspicious because a strong smell came from his flat and they suspected that he was keeping wild animals inside his flat. Question number 3. Why did the police officers make a hole? Why did the police officers make a hole in the front door? Why did they make a hole in the front door? Some other student like Hadia, Imran, Yasin, Aisha Qayyum. I want some other student also to participate. Yes, Umar Nawaz. Okay, Umar Nawaz, you can tell me the answer. Why did they make a hole? Who is that? Yes, beta. No, you have told, beta, you have told. I want some other student. Yes. Yes, Umar Nawaz. Umar, unmute your mic.
The police officer listened to this warning and made a small hole in the front door so that they could see through it into the flat.
Very good. Correct answer. They made a hole because, can you see the question? Why did the police officers make a hole in the front door? Because there is did in the question, so you are going to write the answer in past tense. The police officers plural, so you are going to use which pronoun? They. They made. The past tense of make is made. Okay. They made a hole in the front door so that they could see through it into the flat, because the neighbors gave them warning. Na, they were suspecting that he was keeping wild animals, so they made a hole in the front door so that they could see through it into the flat. Remember beta, because all the questions are in past tense, so your answer should be in the past tense. Okay, question number 4. Explain exactly how the police officer overcame the tiger. Yes, Rohan. Wait, I have to unmute you, then I will ask you. Wait. Yes, Rohan. Yes, Rohan. I have unmuted you.
Yes.
Hmm.
Why did the police officer explain exactly how the police officer overcame the tiger? Okay, the answer of this question will be the policeman overcame the tiger by a gun which left the tiger sleep for a few hours.
Oh, no, no. This is not the answer. Can anybody? Good try, Rohan. Good try. Yes, Momin, you tell me.
Teacher, a police officer sailed down the side of the building and stopped outside the window of Mr. Yates' flat.
Yates. Hmm.
Yates' flat. The huge tiger charged at the window, and the police officer shot the animal twice with a tranquilizer gun.
Tranquilizer. Okay, the answer is correct. Good, beta. It's shot. When we say shoot, it is in the present tense. We have to say shot. Okay. A police officer, because the question is how the police officer overcame the tiger. The police officer, he. Which pronoun we are going to use for the police officer? One police officer, he. So he abseiled down the side. It's abseiled. Abseiled or abseiled. He abseiled down the side of the building and stopped outside the window of the flat. And then he shot the animal, he shot the tiger twice with a tranquilizer gun. Okay? Describe the scene in Mr. Yates' flat which greeted the police officers. What did they see inside the flat? Now I want Rian, Heather, Umar Noor Shamsi or some other participant, student to participate. It's the past tense of shoot is shot. Okay, S-H-O-T, shot. S-H-O-O-T, shoot. Pronunciation is different. Shoot, S-H-O-T, shot. Okay? Okay, Rohan? Yes. Hurry up, beta. We have 5 minutes. Okay, Umar Nawaz, you have told me the answer. Noor, you have also told me the answer. Abdul Rahman, what about you? What did they see inside the flat? Ahmad Raza. Yes, Ahmad Raza, you tell me. Ahmad? Yes, Ahmad Raza. What did they see? Describe the scene in Mr. Yates' flat which greeted the police officers. Hmm? Yes? Yes, Ahmad Raza, you're muting yourself. Okay. What about Rian? Rian, you tell me the answer. What did they see inside the flat? You don't know what did they see inside the flat?
There was a tiger and 5 foot
Yes.
cayman inside the flat.
So good. This is the answer. They were greeted by a massive tiger and a cayman, a 5 foot long cayman behind a sofa inside his flat. Simple answer. Beta, please be confident to participate. You have to participate. So, describe the scene, Mr. Yates' flat, which greeted the police officers. They were greeted by a 5-foot-long caveman behind a sofa in another room and a huge tiger. Okay. The last answer is very easy. Where did the police officers take the tiger? Where did they take the tiger? Yes, those who okay, Ahmad Raza. Yes, Ahmad Raza.
The tiger and the cayman were taken to the wildlife reserve in Cleveland, Ohio.
Ohio. Okay, Cleveland,
Ohio.
Ohio. Okay. So you will write they took the tiger to because the question obviously both the tiger and the cayman were taken to the wildlife reserve because but we have to follow the question. In the question there is where did the police officers take the tiger? So you will write they. The police officers is plural. So which pronoun we use for police officers? They. They took the tiger to a wildlife reserve in Cleveland, Ohio. Okay. Do you understand? Now our whole chapter is finished. We have discussed the summary. We have discussed the question answers and meanings also. Good participation. And I really appreciate if all the students participate. Like some students do not participate at all. For instance, Imran Yasin, Imtisal, Mohammed bin Faisal. Okay, better you need to participate. Okay, Umar Noor Shamsi also participates, but sometimes he hesitates. Don't feel hesitation. It's just like your classroom. Okay, it's just like your classroom. I'm your teacher. Teaching you, and you are my students. Okay. Now, students, in our last lecture, we talked about countable and uncountable nouns, and I will definitely ask you people about the previous lesson. So, who will tell me the difference between countable and uncountable nouns? Okay, Rayan. Rayan, first tell me countable nouns.
Countable nouns are which can be counted easily.
Example?
Uncountable,
Any example
for,
you can give.
for example, plates, bowl, cups.
Goals. Good. Good, Rayan. Now, uncountable nouns, Rohan. Rohan, I've unmuted you.
Uncountable are the nouns that cannot be counted, and
Example?
uncountable nouns are also nouns that are also called mass nouns. They refer to liquid substances or ideas. For example, milk, plastic, honesty, gold.
Good. Good, Bitta. Okay. What is the difference between many and much? The adjectives many and much. Many is used with which noun? Much is used with which noun? Yes. Heather Abbas. Heather, I've unmuted you. Unmute your mic, Heather. Go to the mic button. Yes. Now tell me with which noun we use many and with which nouns we use much. Many and much. The difference between many and much.
So we use many in countable nouns and much in uncountable.
Very good. We use many with countable nouns and much with uncountable. Can you give me one example of each?
Yes.
Yes.
You have many
Tell me. Of many, yes.
Yes.